Hello again and welcome. Bit of a Brucey bonus for me at least. The wood pile that I was talking about, or the wood storage area that I was talking about in my last video, has been put on the back burner. Turning time is more important, and luckily I was asked by a friend's wife if I could do a largish Christmas tree for her around the 12-inch mark. So I jumped at the chance to get into the workshop before I go back to work, and I'm going to be using this English yew log that was very kindly given to me by William Hunt at a show I met him at earlier in the year, and I think it's going to produce some lovely figures. So that's what I'm going to be using for the Christmas tree. I think I featured this before once. It's the Paul Hadley centre finder, or Paul Hadley actually makes these. I'll put a link to his website down below because they're damn handy things to have, not just for bigger logs but for small logs too. You can actually place it at each end, find the best place where you get the minimum amount of waste wood to get your cylinder, and then make a centre punch, put it between centres, turn it around, and you've got it exactly where you want to. Especially if you want to miss the pith, then you can just offset it a little bit and you can see what sort of a cylinder size you're going to get. Great bit of kit this, and as I say, I'll put a link in the description below. Okay, without further ado, let's get on with turning this Christmas tree out of an English yew log. here's the tree finished. I'm really pleased how it's turned out. Some gorgeous figure from this English yew, and thanks very much again, William, for giving me this log, and I hope the person who asked for it is happy with it. It stands at 11 inches tall and it's just over 4 inches at the widest point at the base of the tree itself. The few cracks that did appear did get smaller as I turned them away, but there's a few there, but they really have filled well with the coffee and CA, and as I say, some lovely figure. Well, thank you very much indeed for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Cheers now.